Hi guys! Kasalukuyan nag-enjoy ako sa aking ride, no? Running at about 60 on the average. And then, alam ko malayo pang tutuntunin ko. So, I just had to drive as fast as possible within the limits. So, finally, may na-encounter akong isang medyo abnormal yata to eh. So, at my speed, nandun siya sa harapan. Tapos, ayaw niya akong paunahin at least for more than 10 minutes already. Na medyo nakakainip na ako tutusin. Pero ayoko namang barubalin at kasi medyo wala din sa kondisyon ng speed ang aking motor dahil pinatahimik yung kanyang tambutso, so it was not really running very fast. It's open case no na pwede na akong overtake, bumibilis naman siya. Ayaw naman niya akong paunahin. And then comes the curve. Of course, di ka pwedeng overtake dyan. But then, palagi ko ine-enjoy lang niya ako eh. So, matagal din. No? Kaya nga binidyohan ko eh. Unfortunately, sayang yung memory. I mean, to spend 10 minutes sa video, puro ganyan lang ginagawa niya. It's really frustrating. Minsan may mga encounter ka talaga mga rednecks. It's all over the country and you're bound to find one. And there you have it. I just had my own experience with a redneck. Okay. So, maano lang din to, no? Sabi ko, I mean, gusto ko talagang unahan, pero I think it's best na to give it out. I mean, to give in. Kasi wala rin naman sa kondisyon ng speed ang aking sasakyan. So, I just had to, forget the whole thing. Ayan, kita mo, lumalapit na ako, no? Pagkatapos, siya rin mag-slow down siya. And then, pagdating sa stretch, bibilisan naman niya. Talking about rednecks, really, hard to imagine bakit mayroong mga ganitong klaseng mentality. Yeah. Pero hindi pa yan guys time na I decided to slow down and paunahin ko na lang siya and then siguro mag-break muna ako. I thought that was the best thing. Pero hindi naman kalayuan. Nakita ko rin siya on the nearest or the next town. Nakahinto na ron. Parang hindi ko alam kung may bibilin sa hardware or anything. But that was really a stupid gesture coming from And here's another idiot. There you go. Parang wala siyang respeto sa mga kasalubong. Ay, buhay nga naman. Sometimes you get to the wrong places and meet idiots.